Hi, I'm a Spanish trainer at ITESKUL, and today I'm going to tell you that why learning Spanish in 2026 can actually be the best decision of your career. Spanish is spoken by more than 500 million people and in more than 20 countries. So one language can connect you to a huge global community. From IT companies and MNCs, tourism, aviation, international businesses, companies are looking for professionals who can easily communicate in Spanish. Best part, Spanish is one of the easiest languages to learn, especially for Indian students, as the pronunciation is very clear and straightforward. So if you want a better career opportunity, a global exposure, and a powerful skill in your CV, then Spanish is a language you must definitely learn in 2020. Join us at ITESKUL and start your Spanish journey today. Book a free counseling session now.